Hello from Slovenia again. I have a mess here because I am playing with some paints, and today I will try to use this jasmine from ColourArte mixed with Valejjo pearl medium to see if I can get, you know, lacing. And I will do spiral dip today. So I will draw a circle first, kind of. It's not quite a circle, but as you know, there is always problems with circles. And next I will use this jasmine. Okay, and permanent blue violet. I really hope that this mixture will work, because I love these pigments, but my paint tends to swallow it. This is permanent magenta. And I will add pearl white today. Just if this lacing will not work, that maybe it's still, I can create some lacing with my pearl white and the alizarin violet. And this will be it. And I'm out of my paper napkins, so I will use some paper towel. I don't know if this one will work, because it's a little different than the ones that I normally use. It's quite thin, so let's see what will happen. And it's smaller too. I have to go to the grocery store where I buy these paper napkins, because they are nice to use. So you see, because it's a smaller napkin, I will have a little more trouble with lifting this properly, I think so. And I already see some lacing happening. So I'm glad that I added this pearl white too. Because with pearl white you really get this three-dimensional look that I really like. But this jasmine gives beautiful lacing too. I will just torch it and then I will show you a close-up. I'm really happy how this turned out. We will see what will happen while this will drying, because as I said, I have some problems with ColourArte pigments because my paint tends to swallow it. So I hope that this will not be the case, because this lacing is just gorgeous. And these colors together too. Or just for me. I'm talking about the things that I see. See? I did get... Sorry, here is the I will try to show you without a shimmer. I did get this lacing effect with ColourArte and Valejjo pearl medium mixture too, not the same as with pearl white, but I get a lacing that I was hoping for. See? Just gorgeous. And when this will dry, it will be stunning. It will remain that way. I just love this center. So I'm so excited that I'm so excited that I can hide it. I don't want to lose control. But I like it. I don't know. I don't remember the whole one. But I'm really excited with this one. And when this will be dry, this jasmine should shimmer. And I really can't wait. I love those petals here. Wow. What do you think about this lacing with ColourArte and pearl medium? I think that this should be it, so I can mix a lot of pearl paints, colors, because sometimes I miss some of them. So this is it for today. You know what you do, what you have to do if you like it. No have to do. You can do. You can share it, comment, subscribe if you didn't yet. And see you on the next one. Bye.